Hello everyone, I'm Hussain Abbas and welcome back to my channel Learning with Mr. Hussain. And today we are going to study nervous system. As I told in my first video that I am not only a maths teacher but a science one too. So that's why this is my first science teaching video. So let's start with the nervous system. So this is an introduction. Okay, so first thing that we're going to study is always definition. Definition of the nervous system, which is the first thing that arises in the mind when we say the nervous system. So definition, it's pretty simple. The nervous system is a system that controls everything in a body. Like I am right now speaking and teaching, so my brain is telling me. That's why it controls me to do these things. That's why the nervous system is a system that controls everything in a body, from walking, sleeping, drinking, eating, speaking, teaching. Everything happens because of the nervous system. That's why nervous system is very important for body. It is one of the 12 systems in a body. So we should know all the 12 systems because they're very important. And I am going to teach you all. So let's now move on. So what are the main parts of the nervous system? Now we have to know about the nervous system. So we have to know what are the parts, how it works. So the main parts of the nervous system are three as follows: brain, nerves, and spinal cord. In the introduction, I will just telling you, but there are more detailed things about the brain and the spinal cord, which I am going to tell in two different videos. The next video would be on the detailed structure of the brain, and second, after that, it would be on the detailed structure on the spinal cord. So please press the bell icon so that you can know is it brain or spinal cord. And now let's move on to know what next is coming. So we think that how does the nervous system works? It tells us to do things. How it tells us to do things? Is that a magic? No, that's like a magic, but not actually. Okay, let me tell you. You know there are five sense organs in our body: the sight, the hearing, the touch, the taste, and the smell. The smell is connected to the nose, and the sight is connected to the eyes. The no, ear is connected to the hearing thing, and a skin. You can see the skin is connected to the skin is connected to pain, touch. We feel, right? That's why it happens because of the skin. And I'm telling you, many people are confused. Does touch happen because of the hand? No, that's absolutely wrong. It happens because of the skin. You can see. And I am telling you how this happens. How does the nervous system works? How does this happen? As you all know, that their sense organs are connected to the brain. Yes, they are connected to the brain. If you don't know, I am telling you. All the sense organs are connected to the brain. You can see the eyes, nose, this taste, and the touch, and the ear is connected to one thing. And what's that one thing? That's the brain, which consists of things and help us to think and sort out the message. So let me tell you. When any sense organ feel this thing, a sensation, any sensation like this sight sensation, the hearing, like I'm speaking so I can hear what I'm speaking. Right now I'm speaking hello, so I can hear I'm speaking hello. That's how. But how can I know I'm speaking hello? I'm not going in details as it goes through the ear canal, hits the eardrum, it vibrates, it goes through the three tiny ear bones, cochlea, then the eustachian tube do something, then through optic nerves and all that, eyes, optic nerves, retina, sclera, cornea. I'm not going in that detail, but I'm telling that it goes through, then something sends the message. But how? You know, in every end there is a nerve. That nerve sends out signals. That signal is picked up by the spinal cord. As a spinal cord carries it to the brain, then the brain thinks what it is. There's a letter. That letter's signal is given by the nerves. That letter moves. Then the spinal cord takes that letter. It doesn't know what it has written. It cannot open it. It doesn't know anything. That letter moves on, and then the brain opens and read it. That's how it knows that what a eye is seeing or a nose is smelling. So that's how the nervous system works. It's just very simple. Like I see a car, so I will see it. Then it will go through. Then the nerve send a signal to my spinal cord. My spinal cord sends the signal to the brain. My brain interprets it and then tell me immediately, move out of the way. And I will move out of the way so that I can protect myself. So that's how the nervous system works. Got it? So we can say that our brain is similar to the computer. Not only computer, but the CPU of the computer, without which everything is useless. And we can say that the spinal cord is like an highway which takes the message from here to the brain, and the nerves, a thin wire which sends out the signal which is picked up by the spinal cord, and then it moves to the brain. So, and I don't be confused that why a spinal cord is only a highway and why nerves is a thin wire. Nerves are very thin. It is lots of nerves are connected to the spinal cord too. So that signal is not that open that it goes, but signal is moved from a nerve to another. So that signal, don't be confused, that signal goes through nerves only, and those nerves act as thin wire which carries that signal to the spinal cord. So don't be confused. Okay, now let's move on. So our next thing is very interesting. It's not only a thing, it is actually a question. But what question? What is a neuron? Neuron? What is that? Oh, wait, I will tell you. Neurons are also known as the nerve cells, which help the Neurons are also known as the nerve cells, which help the nerves to send the signal, so that the spinal cord can then take the message further and help the brain to receive the message. Got it? Neurons are not the nerves. Neurons are nerve cells which help the nerves to send the signal to the spinal cord. Got it? What is neuron? Nerve cells help the nerves to send the signal. That's why neuron is very, very important, without which the nerve is not pretty much a nerve. Got it? So now let's move on. What is next? Fact time! One of my favorite things which I love from wholeheartedly. So let's see what the fact for today is. Oh, computer! So the fact for today are there are 100 billion neurons in the human body. Yes, 100 billion neurons in the human body, and most of them are found in the spinal cord, and they are about 13,500,000. Isn't that the great fact? Yes. the question answer time. So, you have to tell what is the main part of the nervous system. You would have 15 seconds and it starts now. Time's up. The correct answer is the brain. It is the main part of the nervous system, which is actually the CPU. Got it? So everyone, thank you for watching my video. I bring lots of videos and next you can see what is the brain. So let's please like my video, subscribe it and don't forget to press the bell icon. Then how will you know when the brain is coming and when the spinal cord? Thank you.